Welcome back to my channel. What's good? Yeah, yeet. Today I'm just doing like a super chill get ready with me because
I feel very ugly.
Let's just get right on with the video. I'm gonna start by moisturizing my face. I'm gonna prep it with some Mario Badescu. Something that I really want to tell you guys, but I can't do it yet. You get? Eee! I'm so excited. I'm excited. I'm so happy. So I'm gonna start out with my concealer and shit, and I'm gonna be using my Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Mocha. I have applied my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, Hydrate and Smooth, in the shade 315. I have been waitlisted for the nursing program. It's just been a very stressful year. Today I received an email that I got accepted to the nursing program, and I'm so fucking ecstatic right now. Like, I know it's not gonna be easy, but at the same time it's like all my hard work paid off. Everything just seems to be falling into place and I'm so thankful. Okay, so next I'm gonna be baking my face. I'm using my NYC powder. I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. So I made tiramisu. I don't know, I say it tiramisu. People are always correcting me like, that's not how you say tiramisu. But that's how I say it. It turned out so good, like guys. Ariana Grande is coming and I'm so excited. Bitch, 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 bitch. I'm using my Chanel powder. Tap off the excess. So I'm gonna be taking the shade Key Devil, which is like this brown majig thingy, and I'm gonna be putting that in my crease. Oh no. I think I have to take a crap. I have to go. BRB. I'm back from taking a shit. I really love how orange brown colors look on my skin tone. I don't know why, they just look really good. I'm gonna be using like an angle brush and I'm gonna take it in on Fuego, and it's like dark brown. I'm gonna be putting this in my outer corner. So a lot of people have told me whenever I wear eyeshadow I look like a bitch. I mean, I don't disagree. I do have a resting bitch face. I'm that one human being who doesn't have any partners when it comes to sitting in class and whatever. Like, let's say I would go to a new class and I would sit in it, but I won't actually have anyone sit beside me. Like, I don't know why. Like, I just feel like I'm repelling everyone. Like, why doesn't anyone want to sit beside me? So every time teacher is like, oh, okay guys, pair out, we're gonna do a lab. I look to my left and I'm like, what's up? To no one. Everyone had their own partners, and it's like, I wish that do I look scared? Do I look like a bitch? Like, it's hello. I'm like the nicest fucking human on the entire earth. Like, I don't know why anyone would think I'm a bitch. I'm really not. I'm gonna take the color Ashes and just kind of define more on the outer corner a little bit. And now I'm gonna blend all this out. I'm also gonna take on Fuego and Key Devil, the same two colors that I use, and I'm just gonna put them on the bottom lashes so it kind of balances it out. We're almost at 400 subscribers, and like, we're getting there. We're almost at 500, almost there. And I'm so grateful for each and every one of you as part of my What's Good fam. My heart is just so content. And also, like, I know you guys love my fashion videos, but I love doing makeup too. Makeup is something that I have wanted to do for the longest time in my life. Makeup is pretty much my first love. I don't want this channel to just be based off fashion. I also want to add some makeup. So, and I know that makeup is not for everyone, but it's something that I love to do. There's gonna be a little mix here and there. And I also like doing real talks with y'all, like about my life, what has happened, and all the shit that I've been through, and all the guys that have broken my heart. High school was rough. Okay, I'm gonna be taking this shade Scorched, and I'm gonna be putting it right on the inner corner, kind of like there. It's been a real journey all in all, and I'm just very thankful. Now I'm gonna be using my mascara. I'm just using the Great Lash, nothing too fancy. I'm just gonna be coating my lashes with mascara before applying fake eyelashes. So while that is just chilling out, I am gonna go in with some contour, Tarte's Glow palette. For the blush, I use the NARS Orgasm, the fakest smile. Last but not least, I'm gonna be highlighting. I'm actually gonna take the color Lit right here and putting that on my cheeky bones. Taking Strobe and applying it on my nose and in the corners. I'm gonna be taking my Mario Badescu, what the fuck? Okay, so I'm gonna be taking my black dual eyelash glue. If you can hear the Ariana Grande in the background, please don't mind me. This is my first time trying a black glue, and I don't know, is this supposed to be clumpy? Because like I know the white glue, it's like liquid, but this black glue is straight up clumps. Like I don't know if you can see it. It's so fucking clumpy. Tell me how good it is to be needed. I swear, this black glue was expired or some shit. NASA, get up, girl. I'ma need space. I'ma need you in the star space. I'ma need space. I'ma need space. I'ma NASA. That is pretty much it. I don't wear lipstick. Well, I used to, but I don't wear it right now because I have my Invisalign in. So every time I wear lipstick, it stains my Invisalign, so there's really no purpose in me wearing it. So that is it for my makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Well, it's not really a makeup tutorial, more like I'm bored at home and want to look decently good or glam-ish. Hit the subscribe button down below and join the What's Good fam because we're almost at 500. And also click the bell notification thingy right beside it. And also thumbs up this video because this video is fucking lit, okay? It's a lit ass video. I will see y'all in my next video. Mwah.